Today I'd like to show you how to make mushroom soup. My soup is already ready and ready to be served. It's very tasty and very healthy. So this is portobello mushroom or champignon. It's very big, and I used for this casserole, which is the same large as almost the same large as portobello. I used just one piece. So it's cooked at 45 minutes, and I will show you how to make it step by step. And have a good appetite. I will leave barley in the water for approximately 3-4 hours. I'm continue to cooking mushroom soup. As you remember, I put it in the water barley for 3-4 hours. And now I will give barley to boil. Then after 15 minutes I will add potato, and at the same time I will fry mushroom with onion, and will add after another 15 minutes this mixture. So altogether I will cook about 30 minutes soup, and then with mushroom and onion another 15 minutes. We can add also carrots. I cleaned potato and carrots and keep them in the cold water until I will need. As usually, after 15 minutes we have to remove foam. I cut potato in the small squares. Carrots as well will be cut in the small cubes. As you remember, first we put barley and we cook it 15 minutes. Then I put potato and carrots, and now I will cook again 15 minutes. Then I will put mushrooms and onion. Now we start to prepare onion and carrots, which I cut in the small pieces. Champignon portobello I cut it in small pieces, also onion and carrots. I added carrots, and in the soup we can add now. In the soup I added bay leaves, and now is the time to add mushroom. After we mix everything together, we have to wait approximately 10 minutes and to put in the slow temperature and to stir. Then it will be ready.